In this video, I will show you that BigPay has the best currency conversion rate, especially when it comes to funding your broker accounts, especially the ones that has US dollars and Sing dollars. And I have been doing it for the past 1 year, and I will show you the significant difference to fund your broker accounts with BigPay and without BigPay. Not only that, I will do a side-by-side comparison for the top 10 largest Malaysian banks for their currency conversion rate. So if this is what you're looking for, then stay tuned. This video might be helpful for you. So when it comes to funding your broker accounts, you have to pay attention to all of the nitty-gritty stuff as it drastically affects your returns as an investor. So a good conversion rate to invest into US stocks can be very handy, especially when you're planning to invest in the long term and you're planning to invest a large amount of money. Now, I don't have a lot of money, and that is the whole reason why I did my research on this to escape from all of the fees. And if you have a lot of money, you'll definitely have to use this method as well. So let me give you an example. So Bank A actually has a transaction fee of 3% and Bank B actually have a transaction of only 1%. It may not look like a lot at first, it's only like 2% difference. But when it comes to making a $10,000 transaction, right? Bank A is going to take 300 ringgit, $300 right out of your pocket just for the fees, and Bank B is going to take only $100 out of your pocket for the fees. So from the percentage wise, it may not sound like it's a lot, but when it comes to money, it's like $200 difference. And if you're investing in the long term and you're paying for all of these fees, how much more would you be losing just by doing transactions? So according to everyone in the Laureate forum, everyone is just saying that BigPay has the best currency conversion rate, especially for Sing dollars and US dollars. So here is the question. Is BigPay really that good? So according to the BigPay website, under the currency conversion fee, it said 1% plus network charges. So only 1%. Can you believe that? Let's just go ahead and test it out. So I've actually converted a bunch of currency exchange rates in the afternoon, and to maximize the accuracy of this currency conversion rate, I actually funded my Trading 212 broker account in the afternoon as well. You know, you just want to keep the time as close as possible so that the currency conversion rate does not change or may have not been changed yet. So I have funded my broker account $1 each from BigPay and from Public Bank. And BigPay, I was only charged with 4 ringgit and 23 cents, and from Public Bank, I was actually charged with 4 ringgit and 49 cents. And let's just leave it at that for now. We're not going to calculate the percentage of premium that we're charged with by using Public Bank, because right now we are going to dive into the important data, and that is when I can tell you how many percent I have been charged extra just by using banks. Now, the conversion rate that is being used by BigPay is the conversion rate that Visa and MasterCard charges. So Visa and MasterCard only charges 1% for the currency conversion rate. But the only reason why I was being charged way more when I'm using my Visa card is because that Visa card is from Public Bank, and the MasterCard that I was using is from BigPay. Now, if you think that BigPay is what you're looking for to fund your broker accounts in the future, I happen to have a referral link in the description box below. You and I will both be getting 10 ringgit, and that's like 10 lollipops. So go ahead and use the referral code or referral link if you want 10 lollipops. So the ultimate reason why you're getting charged more when it comes to funding your broker accounts that has foreign currency is because you're going through banks. And for that, we have to be thankful that BigPay is actually doing the currency conversion rate for free for us. So it is very close to spot rate, and at the same time, we have to not pay any premium at all. So right now, we're going to take a look at the 10 Malaysians' largest banks conversion rate as of this afternoon when I compiled the data, and let's just see if any of the banks offers the conversion rate that comes the closest to the spot conversion rate that I have found in the afternoon as well. Let's also see that if these 10 banks offers a conversion rate coming as close to BigPay or not. Well, I don't believe so. So I compiled a one whole page of all 10 conversion rates of these 10 largest banks, just for the sake of letting you guys compare it easier. So the conversion rate is as of 25th of August 2021, 5:36 p.m. all the way until 5:58 p.m. And the spot rate is $1 is equals to 4.2038 ringgit, and 1 Sing dollar equals to 3.1074 ringgit.
Also, another thing, SGD1 equals to 3 ringgit. fucking poor.
So this is the chart that took me over 30 minutes just to compile this data and at the same time create the graphics. So as you guys can see, that Bank Islam offers the best conversion rate to US dollars and OCBC Bank offers the best conversion rate to Sing dollars. But these banks do charge a premium of their services as well. And if you're wondering where did I get my spot conversion rate from on real time, I got it from the xe.com website. And that is one of the most accurate real-time conversion rates I have found on Google as well. So according to this chart that I made in the afternoon, $1 is equals to 4.2820 ringgit. But I have been charged 4.46 ringgit when I fund $1 into my broker account. If you do the math, I have been charged with an extra of 4.6% when it comes to funding my broker account and converting my Malaysian ringgit into US dollars. Just because I was using banks. And now, I already found my answer of why banks are rich as hell. So from this video, we can tell that BigPay is the cheaper option and we can already tell why so many people are interested to use this payment gateway over directly funding their broker accounts with their bank accounts. Because it is a lot cheaper and it is a lot easier as well. So hopefully you know now on which payment gateway to fund your broker account that needs currency conversion rate in the future. And again, if you're interested in signing up for a BigPay account, it is completely free. I am not sponsored at all. You can use my referral link in the description box below. 10 lollipops. Too good of an offer to reject. Am I right? So if you found value in this video, definitely help me smash that like button as I put a lot of effort in this video. And if you smash the like button, this video will be recommended to more people and you can help more people to save their money when it comes to funding their broker accounts as well as currency conversion. So with that being said, I hope to see you guys in the next video.